Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leslie and today I'm out of work because of this. Somehow I have contracted ringworm. We don't know. I think I have a little bit on my neck. It might have gone away by now because the directions say put it on once in the morning and once in the evening. I put that stuff on like once every 2 hours. If it starts itching, okay. But it's looking much better. This is still a bit swollen. It's no fun. I don't even know where I got it from. My doctor said that her husband got it from their home gym. So you can get it anywhere. It just, yuck. So we're gonna clean. We're gonna clean the floors, get them disinfected, and we're not gonna have any yucky rashes to show our son. Who said, when I showed it to him, "Oh my gosh, don't ever show me that again." He's so lovely. Some pancakes and bacon.
No, I'll be fine.
You don't want any?
I'll be fine.
He's just a little too grown for me. Nope, it was on the inside. Much better. I itch. Whew, I itch. Take my Loratadine. I've been mixing and matching all kinds of stuff, taking everything. Benadryl, ibuprofen, Loratadine, 2 kinds of creams that you're only supposed to put on twice a day. We're putting that on 100 times. I am quite overdosed at this point. Still itching. In other news, my back is doing a lot better. The pain was right up and down on the middle of my spine when it happened, and now it's shifted to going sideways across my hip. So it only hurts if I bend, which we do a lot of. So, yeah, but it's oh, thank goodness, it's so much better. I can clean my house, okay? And not get fungi. I can't scratch it. So I put a cold rag on it to get the burn and the itch to settle down. Real fun. Has anybody out there ever had this? I've never had this, and I don't know where I got it from. And I don't ever want to have it again. That was the worst burning, itching sensation that you could not get rid of. Actually, in Saturday's video, when I was decorating this hutch, you'll see me scratching under this arm. I saw myself doing something and scratched. Oh, you can't even see me. What am I doing? I'm such a great YouTuber. I was doing something like this, and I saw myself scratch. And it popped up on Friday night, a little bumpy patch and a red patch, and I said, Adam, look at that. What is that? He's like, I don't know, it's just a little red patch. Woke up Saturday, it's all on this arm, under this arm, under this arm, and in that crease where your torso and hip meets and you bend. Yeah. And, well, no, woke up Saturday and this had spread. By Saturday night, it was here and in the fold, the crease, whatever. That sounds disgusting, but whatever. So I kept noticing it was spreading throughout the day on Saturday. And I thought, oh no, I'm having an allergic reaction. What did I have? The only thing I changed was my bubbly flavor. I got the new one, the red, white, and blue one. And I was like, well, it's water. How am I allergic? Hold on, the cat's being... Anyway, the cat hits his bowl when he wants fresh food. He doesn't eat his already chewed food. It's such an ass. Anyway, it's much better. This is very swollen still, but it's much better than what it was. And I haven't seen it spread anywhere else, thank goodness. And so we're taking our sick day today because I had to sleep. I slept until 12:30 because I didn't sleep the whole weekend. I was up itching. Friday night, I guess I started itching here. No, I think it started here. I don't know. I just itching. Okay, it doesn't matter where. I was itching, burning, dying. But my back feels better. Yay. All right, we're going to do the dining room. I also want to show you how I did the table because I finished that. And I don't know if I showed that in the video. There we go. I have my red, white, and blue chargers. And my red chargers. And my red, white, and blue. And then stars and stripes. Except that's wrong. I have stripe, stripe, star, star. And it's supposed to be stripe, star, stripe, star. Does it matter? No. To me? Yeah, OCD. Okay. Welcome to my world. Yucky, yucky. All right, everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up or hype it. Be sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you real soon in the living room.